In this video, I will show you how to save your email signature in Gmail. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, we're currently here on my Gmail account. So what you want to do when you log into your Gmail account is you want to come to your settings. To do this, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto this gear icon up here. And then what you want to do from here is click on to see all settings. So what it's going to do, it's going to take you across to the settings for your account. So you can see a lot of different options at the top here. But what we want to do is make sure we're selected onto general. And then what we want to do is just scroll down from here until we get to the section about signatures. So if you keep scrolling down, and you will see just down here you've got the signature section. So what you're going to want to do from here is click on to create new to create a new signature and go ahead and give this signature a name. So I'm just going to call this test for now and click the blue create button. And then what you want to do is compose your signature. So a signature basically appears at the end of all outgoing messages. So whenever you send a message, your signature is automatically going to be at the bottom of the email. So what you want to do, for example, is put things like your name, and you can put like your phone number if you want to. Also like an email address. And anything else that you think might be relevant. What you can also do is you can do generic things like change the color of the text. So you've got a lot of tools down here where you can change like the font, for example, so I can make this different. You can also bold the text as well as change the text color. So you can see we've got a variety of colors to choose from. So I'm going to change this to red. And once that's done, what you can also do is add an image underneath if you want to. So I've just gone ahead and added a random image on here. So what you can also do is change the size of the image. If that's too big, you can just click onto it and you can make it smaller or bigger if you want to. So once you're happy with your signature, all you want to do is come down to the bottom of the page, and at the very bottom, you're going to see save changes. So go ahead and click that button to save your changes. And once you've saved your changes, you will be good to go, and that will be everything set up and your signature will be saved. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.